Hello, I'm Josh Griffey here with AOTMP to discuss POTS-in-a-Box solutions. What are they and what do you need to know about these solutions? This course contains 6 modules. First, a non-technical primer on POTS-in-a-Box. 2. An explanation of what is driving interest and demand for POTS-in-a-Box. 3. Business applications and use cases for POTS-in-a-Box. 4. Considerations for selecting a POTS-in-a-Box solution for your business. 5. Considerations for implementing and managing POTS-in-a-Box solutions. 6. Efficiency First Framework guiding principles supporting POTS-in-a-Box solution evaluation and implementation. Upon completing this course, you should know 1. What POTS-in-a-Box is. 2. What is driving demand for POTS-in-a-Box. 3. Some use cases and business applications for POTS-in-a-Box. 4. What to consider when selecting your POTS-in-a-Box solution. 5. How to implement and manage your POTS-in-a-Box solution. 6. The Efficiency First Framework guiding principles and best practices that guide POTS-in-a-Box evaluation and implementation. POTS is an acronym for plain old telephone services. Telecom companies are rapidly decommissioning legacy copper infrastructure, and organizations need alternatives to support several applications dependent on POTS connectivity. Things like elevators, alarms, telemetry, and emergency services utilize these phone lines to operate. POTS-in-a-Box solutions aim to support traditional analog functions using digital technology.